Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 206. 40 seconds to go, 35 seconds to go. Hope everyone had a good week. Wish me luck. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord if you have any questions. Usually I've been putting the problem explanations in separate videos, so let me know how that goes. Let me know how you did, just to kind of, keep it close. But yeah, got about 10 seconds to go. Whew. Let's get this show started. Let's go. And here we go. Oh, slow day. Zero. from 1 to n. Nope. No. Do I want that? Oh my. Oh, that's not great. Well, it looks like this may be unmiked. I don't know. Well, let's just do this one anyway. Points. Okay, let's do. How many points are there? 1,000. Oh, whoops. What the hell was the list? That's not good. One is happy. It's not. Oh my. Two. Still a mistake, but okay. Do union file again. Maybe I should have a cut thing. Please don't time out. Substring. Oh, you have to convert this to this. That's minimum. Let's see if anyone submitted pretty quickly. Shaman, of course. So, okay. One character at a time. So, greedy. 10 to the 5th. Just want to see if this works for the last case. Yep. Okay. We first do this, then it'll be 3, 4. So we can't do greedy. Because if we just do greedy for 3, then that would just be wrong. Can we do greedy from the back? Not really, because if you do greedy from the back, then this would get 1, 2, 5, which is the same issue. So they give you, they're helpful in that they tell you that greedy is not going to work, but £6. That seems hard. 6 minutes. 10. I don't really have any idea, to be honest. Divide and conquer in some way. What makes it force? I guess this is a pretty trivial case. Need more test cases. Don't really see anything obvious. People are getting it though. I think we only want to do 2 digits at once. In this case. 3421. And that is in terms of implementation as well. This 3 has to smaller than, so we could do a 10 operation. That's fine. Okay. Okay. these to be queues. Don't think that matters, but so this number can get to the front if the number must be full. There's no way, yep. That was a hard one, to be honest. But I'm happy that I got it. Top, I don't know. We'll see where I end up. But yeah, that was a pretty good problem actually. Took me a while. Obviously, 4 minutes for Xiaowu, but you know that's why he's Xiaowu. Yeah, it turned out to be greedy on a probably top 17. I say top 17 because it sounds better than finishing 17th maybe. But yeah, so I'm gonna go over the problems on their own thread. But let me just give my impression. My first one was okay. I spent too much time on Q2, way more than everyone else, to be honest. What was Q2 again? Let's just do a mini retro of how I've done. The first one, I did okay. I mean, I typed a lot, but I thought that was okay. Count happy friends. Oh, I spent a long time mostly because the server was just having issues. So we'll see if that gets ranked. But I knew what I had to answer. I just kind of, I don't know. I mean, I think the server was just having issues, and I was going back and forth, not really wanting it. And yeah, it's just about having the right data structure, which I knew I had to do, but I think I was just being too lazy, to be frank. So I was trying to think about ways to write it in a way that doesn't require it, but I just needed to do this. This is n square. So that was unnecessarily long. And I had a couple of typos too, so that was an issue. But I mean, this one was especially after all the recent minimum spanning trees. I did this in 2.5 minutes, which a lot of people did pretty quickly as well. I actually did have some doubt that on whether it would finish in time, because n square sort that it's a little bit tight. There might be a better algorithm, but I didn't want to. I think this was fast. I don't know if it's going to be fast enough. It was going to be a little bit tight, to be honest. So that's why I was a little bit like, please don't time out. But it's actually n choose 2, so I guess it's a little bit. It's like, no, so it's half of a million, and then you sort it. So that was going to be the cost. I mean, this is a little bit bad too. For 500,000 entries, possibly. And I could have short circuit this, but yeah, cool. And again, the more detailed explanations will be on its own video. So I'm sorry if I'm hand waving. I'm just trying to think about if I could have done this better. This one I took a long time. I just didn't know how to do it. This is a very code 4C problem, very competitive problem in that you try to find an invariant and you try to keep it true. And I think that because you could do infinite number of transformation, it's easy to kind of mix them to do 2 or 3 at a 4 at a time. I think my stroke of insight was when I said, okay, actually you only need to swap two items at a time, and once you swap, once you're able to figure out that you only need to swap 2 items at a time, it becomes a lot easier, because it just becomes, well, at least for me, it opened like that light bulb where you go, okay, first element has to be a 3, for example. Well, can 3 get to the front? 3 can get to the front if the next 3 can get to the front if all the numbers before it are larger than it, right? Then you could sort just 1 digit at a time, and then you could kind of bubble sort this 3 to the top, right? So that's kind of how I would think about it. Again, I'm gonna go a bit deeper for this one, but that's just the way that I thought about this problem, and in the way that I did it, it should be in linear times 10, because all digits could be from 0 to 9, so still linear obviously, but I'm just making that part explicit. Yeah, a lot of I mean, yeah, very fun problem, very fun set. I thought I was 17 for maybe a server. I mean, I like 18 better anyway, because, you know, in Chinese it's lucky or something, right? But yeah, I think I just spent too long on Q2. I think if I could have done, and I should have been able to cut down 5 minutes from this, and if I cut down 5 minutes I would have been top 10. But I don't know, I also spent a lot of time on Q4, but that was actually an interesting thinking one, which Hawu is very good about, and all the top people are very good, obviously. But I don't feel that bad. I feel like I'm in the same realm. So yeah. Anyway, let me know what you think about this contest. How did you do during this contest? And yeah, I will see y'all next week on next contest. Bye bye.